Hey everybody, it's Wheel Collectors. We're back with a super hard to find case at this point, sealed. Again, we went deep into the storage unit to find this. Didn't even realize we had it. This is a case from 4 years ago. It's a Disney character cars case. Let's pop this thing open, see what it's like. Oh, here we go. It is a Star Wars case. Right there. This is, again, one of our favorite things to do is to go back and just look at older cases and how they change over time. This one has 12 pieces in it, whereas the new character cars, you know, they've got 8 in them. So just another small little cool change that we like. I'm going to go 2 by 2 on this. The first 2 cars are the Rogue One, Jyn Erso. It's kind of a cool design there. The next 2 cars are the Luke Skywalker. Kind of like a rebel racer with cool tampos on it. The next car is a C-3PO. Kind of looks like a Volkswagen C-3PO dragster. That's pretty cool. Dragmobile. It's got like the gold metallic with the gold wheels on it. The next 2 cars right here, one of them is a Stormtrooper. Always popular is the Stormtrooper. Then the next car is the Darth Vader. That one looks like it would be really good on the track. The next 2 cars is, this one's cool. Look at the card back on this one. The First Order Flametrooper. That's pretty cool. And then the next one is the ever popular Jawa. Check that out right there. Then the last 4 that are in the box are BB-8, which was one of the guys in the new movies, Princess Leia, everyone's favorite, Chewbacca, and then another favorite, R2-D2. It does look like it would be good on the track as well. So there's our rare case opening for the week from 2016, Star Wars character cars. Show you the top-down view. Our next video should be a giveaway video, so be sure you tune back in. Thank you again for joining us. It's Wheel Collectors signing off.